This is a 10-inch GE standard blade oscillating desk fan from the early to mid 50s. This is a single speed fan, and like I said, it does oscillate. This fan I had for quite some time. Got it back in like 2002 along with another fan that is no longer in existence because unfortunately it tipped over and the Bakelite blade broke on it, so it went to the garbage. And this was well before I started collecting fans and before I knew better, unfortunately. So unfortunately that fan had an untimely end to it, which is kind of sad, and I still kick myself to this day for doing it. But anyway, this fan here is still kicking around. I actually restored it a few years ago. This fan was actually burned up when I got it, but I took it to my uncle, who at least used to rewind motors, and he was able to rewind the motor for me, and now it works like a champ.
Yeah.
Very solid running fan. I mean, the oscillator is stuck on since it does not have the oscillator knob on the fan. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and give it a demo. Got a quiet running fan. Moves a pretty good amount of air. This was actually General Electric's most basic fan, and probably the cheapest one they offered. It's not really, it's kind of more or less one of the cheaper fans of the day. However, it's, it goes to show you, even the cheap fans back then still are way better than new ones today, because it's lasted for over 50 years and it's still kicking to this day, even though it did have a burnout motor, but everything else on this fan works just fine. I mean, there's a lot of them out there that still have the original motors still running in them, and they still run great. That's about it for this video. I don't really have much information on this thing, so I mean, there's not really much to say about it. So there you have it. There was the 10-inch General Electric standard blade oscillating desk fan from the early to mid 50s. Thanks for watching.